Greetings, my dear friends. If today's joke gave you a chuckle, don't forget to subscribe. It's free, and it'll make us even closer as friends. A married couple was in a terrible accident, and the man's face was severely burned. The doctor told him that they couldn't graft any skin from his body because he was too thin. So the wife volunteered to donate some of her own skin. However, the only skin that was suitable for the graft was from her buttocks. The couple agreed to keep the source of the skin a secret, and they asked the doctor to honor their privacy. After the surgery, everyone was amazed by how handsome the man looked. He had a youthful, striking appearance, and his friends and family couldn't stop complimenting him. One day, the husband was alone with his wife, feeling deeply moved by her sacrifice. He said, "Dear, I can't thank you enough for what you've done for me. How can I ever repay you?" The wife smiled sweetly and replied, "Darling, I get all the thanks I need every time I see your mother kiss you on the cheeks." The mental asylum was getting full, and they had to discharge some patients. The psychiatrist devised a simple test to see which patients had recovered enough to return to society. He assembled all patients and drew a door on a chalkboard. He then announced that whoever was able to open that door would be released from the asylum. Chaos broke out. The patients began running and fighting to be first to the chalkboard. They began to push, kick, scratch, and even bite the door. Disappointed, the psychiatrist was about to give up when he saw a patient calmly standing next to the wall. Hopefully, he approached the patient and asked him, "Why aren't you rushing to the door?" The patient replied, "I'm not so mad as the rest to rush to it. There's no way they can open it." The psychiatrist asked him, "Why's that?" The patient replied, "I have the key."